You're not joining? We're gonna do the conga!
Yes!
Who knows how to conga? Oh, it's really popular where I'm from. So, what we need to do is you get all of your students, so everyone together, in one line. One line, okay?
Okay.
Perfect. Okay, so I will start. I will be at the front of the line. And what we have to do is the student just needs to lead. They are the leader, whoever is at the front. And everyone else just has to follow them. And you can make an obstacle course around your classroom if you want to make it harder. And while people are following the leader, they just need to chant whatever song or line that you are teaching in class. So for us, it is Wizard of Oz themed.
Ooh.
So we're going to sing Follow the Yellow Brick Road.
Okay.
So try and repeat. And follow me. Follow the yellow brick road.
Follow the yellow brick road.
Follow the yellow brick road.
Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road.
And when they want to stop, the person at the front can shout, change, and they will go to the back. And we have a new leader.
Okay.
And then you just lead wherever you want.
And the same...
Same song.
Okay.
Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road.
Change.
Okay. Can I invent something?
Yes, you can.
Okay. Oh, can I? Oh, can we do it hopping?
Yes.
Okay.
So you have to tell everyone.
Everybody, one leg. Okay. And follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow. They're following me. They did not follow me.
Around the room, you can get them to crawl, you can get them to do little like jumps as they go around, make it as fun and interesting as possible, gets out all their energy and tires them out. Okay, so hopefully I will see you doing the conga. Everyone, bye!
Bye!